your girl Chocolate Curls, also known as Amari Alisa on Instagram and Twitter, and I'm back with another video. I did take a break from you guys, but I'm gonna jump right into the video and show you how I got this face. I'm gonna chat it up as to why I was gone and why I took my break from YouTube, but I'm back, so that's all that matters. If you're new here, thank you for watching. Go ahead and click that subscribe button right there because my videos are lit. And if you are a welcoming subscriber, hey guys, what's up? I'm so happy to be back making videos. I missed YouTube so much. And today's video is a little bit different from my normal videos, which are mainly about hair, because today I will be doing a makeup look. I'm going to be doing my makeup and showing you all how I beat my face. I'm not a makeup artist, not moi. People who like really are skilled at beating their face are gonna watch this video and be like, she don't even know what she's doing. I don't, but I know what I'm doing for my face and I learned how to make it work. So I'm gonna show you all how I make it work. This forehead shining is killing me. I do very natural looks on my face. I don't do the real beat down, the dramatic look. I like to keep it nice and natural and have it looking like I don't have on any makeup at all. So if that's the look that you're going for, or if you just want to sit here and watch this video, go ahead and stay tuned. So I am going to start on a freshly washed face. I just washed and toned my face, and now I am going to put some primer on my skin. This is the first thing that you do before putting on makeup, is you put on a primer. I feel that primers kind of protect your skin from all of the makeup that you're going to put on it, and it's kind of like a layer of protection over, like, underneath your makeup. And so primers also like soften your skin so that the makeup can slip right on. Well, this one here from Sephora does. Yeah, this one is kind of matte-ish, and being that my face wants to look kind of shiny right now, I'm gonna be using my matte primer. I'll go ahead and put everything down below that I'm using. And yeah, so this primer here, what I'm gonna do is do one pump out onto my hand and just spread it all over my face. I don't really rub it in too harshly. Kind of just spread it across. Don't be stingy with the primer. You want to make sure you get it all over your face, even on your eyebrows and everything right here. Wherever you're going to put makeup, you want to have some primer. So being that I want to do a look that is as natural as possible, I'm going to begin with my foundation after I apply my primer, because most people do eyebrows first, but I'm going to do foundation first because I don't do really dramatic eyebrows, because once your eyebrows are like super snatched and really dramatic, at that point I don't feel like the makeup looks as natural. It still looks good, but I just like my makeup to look like it's my real face, you know, as much as possible. So I'm going to go on my foundation. Today I'm going to be using my MAC foundation. It is the NW48 Studio Fit foundation, and in order for me to apply it, I'm going to be using a foundation brush. I'm not sure where I purchased this, probably from the beauty supply store. But I will be using a foundation brush just to spread my foundation on, and then I will be using a beauty blender to pat it all in. So I just went ahead and dipped the brush in the foundation, and I'm going to just tap it. And it's still looking a bit light because I'm guessing I just got baked yesterday in the sun, like literally. I'm gonna take my beauty blender. I purchased this at Marshall's, I believe, for like in a 2-pack for like $6, so it's very affordable. And what I am gonna do is wet it under some water. I'm gonna squeeze it, run water over it, make sure it's wet just like a sponge when you're washing dishes. Then I'm gonna pat it into my face. So I make sure to pat it all over the chin. Get my eyelids. The reason I've been gone is because I've been studying for my PCAT exam, which is like the pharmacy college admissions test. And in order for me to get into pharmacy school, I have to do good on that test, and it's like super hard. Like, it's hard. It's like it's a 4-hour exam. You have a chemistry section, a biology section, a reading section, a math section, and a writing section. And you have to do the exam all in one sitting. You get like a little 15-minute break in between. But it is intense, and I've just dedicated my time to studying for that. And after foundation, I am going to do my eyebrows. And for my eyebrows, I use my brow pomade from Anastasia. I know Ulta and Sephora for sure have it. And it is the Dip Brow Pomade. You've probably heard of it, you probably haven't. I have it in the color dark brown. And this is what the little container looks like. Like, you can purchase this also. It goes with the brow pomade. This side is what you use to apply the brow stuff, and this side is just like a little brush. And what I will do is brush my eyebrows up. Kind of go across the top. Cool. Next, I am going to brush into my pomade, the sides too. And after I do that, I kind of like squish the brush together so it's like really flat. Boom, flat. And then I go in and fill in. Like, I do streaks. It's hard for me to do it on the YouTube thing, but yeah, on my phone camera, I normally do this in the mirror, so bear with me. And I'm also again gonna squeeze it together, boom, and then. Guys, I did end up doing really good on my exam. They do give you like a preliminary score after you take it, and I did pretty good, so I'm really happy that I did take the time to study, because I feel like I sacrificed so much. I really just sacrificed YouTube and going out, but I feel like that's a lot because it's supposed to be a hot girl summer. Here I am done filling in these brows. Boom. Is take my concealer. You can get this from the beauty supply store. Ooh, they got a thing on it. They be so worried about people stealing they ruining my video. The Pro Concealer by LA Girl. You can find this at most beauty supply stores. It's only about $3.99, $2.99, depends on where you are. I have it in the shade Beautiful Bronze. Then I take like a brush. It's kind of like flattish, or maybe I just flattened it, who knows. And then I'm gonna like squeeze out. And then I'm gonna put it onto just the tip of my brush, both sides. If I feel like it's like really cakey on here or too much, what I'll do is just kind of like spread it on my hand just a little bit, because again, I'm not going for no dramatic look, so I don't want a whole bunch. But when I do my brows, I like to start off on the end. And then slowly work my way up. This is so hard to do on this phone. So I really do that, and then I'm gonna just pull down on it to try and blend it out. Boom, a brow. Gotta do the same thing to my other brow. Wish me luck. And you don't wanna like go up past the brow after you put it out. You wanna go down. And boom, look like I got brows. Now I am going to do my concealer contouring. I'm going to be using my Beautiful Bronze once again. And I do not put a lot on. I feel like I don't, because like it's kind of dry right now. I'm just pulling down on the makeup that's already there. This is not a thick layer of makeup. It's very dry, like not thick at all. And like I pull it down long at the beginning and try and get smaller as I get to the top. Close to the eye, but not directly on your eye line, just close to it. Also redoing your line dead center in the middle of my nose. And then some up here. A little bit here. Okay, boom. Wet beauty blender. And small. Try not to drag it, try to pat. You do not want to drag it, you just want to pat it. What I've learned is you don't want to go too high on the eye. You want to do it kind of under to keep the under eye looking dark. And blend it all in. Next, I'm going to do the dark part of my contour. What I'll be using is my Fenty Beauty Matchstick. The matchstick, and I have it in the shade Espresso. My cheekbone is kind of like this. So this is where I'll be putting it on, right on my cheekbone. You gotta like feel it, boom. Like that. Ooh, I put a little bit too much on that side. There we go. And I'm putting a little nose. And to blend this, I'll be using the bottom of my beauty blender. And I'll be pushing it up, like sliding a little bit, sliding out over here, over, up, over, up, over. Kind of outlining my cheekbone, which is like right here. If it helps to do that, you don't want to come past like right here. So just don't try and drag it all the way to your cheek or to your lip. Try and keep it up. Next, I'm going to do my forehead. Just quick dabs across the top. Purchased at a beauty supply store. It's from Magic Collection. It's just like a rounded, soft brush type thing. And I just go like this on the side. Then I'll go over it one more time. Kind of blend everything all together. And with my matchstick, I also really like to do my eyelids because I like dark eyelids. And what I'm gonna do is take this and rub. Make sure you're only doing it on the eyelid and not under your eye on your face. Next, I'm going to take my Laura Mercier setting powder. It's a translucent setting powder, which means it's supposed to be like clear-ish, but mine is not clear, it's kind of brown. Because what I do is take my Fenty Beauty setting powder in the shade Nutmeg and mix them together because I feel like it gives me the best look. And this is the color of my nutmeg. Pour something to the top. Pour a little bit of my Fenty powder in this top. Use of one of my brushes to kind of mix those colors together as even as possible. Dab off the excess, so I'm gonna be looking like a powdered donut. And put it on. Notice I did not contour the bottom half of my cheek, but what I'm gonna do is pull this down. I kind of do it under the brown that I did, the brown, dark brown contour. Then I'm gonna do my nose, and how I'm gonna do that is squeezing the brush together like this. And boom, a little dab, a little bit on the forehead. And I also like to do my brows. I like to brush up with my dark color in this and make sure it's kind of perfect. So I'm gonna just like rub it on here. I wasn't gonna put on any blush, but I'll just put some on just because. This is a Maybelline Master Blush Kit. I only use this color here on the end because it's darker and it fits my skin tone more. And you can purchase this at CVS. I don't even remember when I bought this, but yeah. And I'm gonna take a powder brush, which is what I was supposed to use for this part, but I didn't. See, that's what I'm telling you. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I know what I'm doing. So I'm gonna take this, just brush it on there. See how pink that is? I don't want all that. So I'm gonna dab it or blow it. Smile and put it on like the top of my cheek and brush it into my skin. And do the other side. If that's done, I'm going to brush off this stuff. This with the same brush that I applied it with. I found this little palette in Ross, and I really love neutral orangish toned colors. And I'm going to be using the two darkest ones, this one and this one. Using I don't know, this is kind of like a fluffy brush. And I'm going to apply that and just do it around the top of my brown. Put on some glue. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, but it says that glow right there. And I'm going to be using this color up here. I'm guessing that that is the golden bronze color. So I'm going to be doing that as my highlight, and I have like an angled brush kind of. And I'm going to just dab it on there. Smile again. And this is where I like to apply my highlight. Some glow under my eyebrows. It would be smarter to use a thin brush, but to set my face with L'Oreal Paris Pro Spray and Set stuff. It's inflatable. I got this from CVS also. I prefer the one from NYX, but I ran out of that one, so this is the one that I'm using. And I'm just gonna spray this all over, allow it to dry. Whew, that glow. That glow. And you may be familiar with it. It's $1.99 at the hair store. I'm using the coconut oil one by Broadway. And this is the finished look, ladies and gentlemen and guys and girls and whoever is watching it out there to learn how to be cute. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. I hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below and let me know what you think. Let me know what you need to know. Ask any questions, feel free to comment what you think about this video. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do that and click on the bell to be notified for all new uploads. Bye guys.